India's textile industry is the second largest employer in the entire country. We generate over $40 billion in textile exports every single year.
But only a handful of companies are quietly running the whole show. And today, we count them down.
These are the top 10 textile companies in India by revenue, legacy, and sheer scale.
Number 10, Welspun India. Founded in 1985, they are one of the world's largest home textile manufacturers.
They supply bed sheets, towels, and rugs to over 30 global retail giants, including Walmart and Target.
Annual revenue, over 9,000 crore rupees. Plants in Gujarat and Anantapur. Welspun is literally making your bed.
Number 9, Raymond Group. Arguably India's most iconic textile brand, founded way back in 1925. For nearly 100 years, Raymond has dressed Indian men in worsted suiting, denim, and shirting fabric.
Over 1,500 stores across 600 cities. Revenue around 7,500 crore. Legacy? That's priceless. Number 8. Bombay Dyeing. Established in 1879. Yes, that is not a typo.
Part of the Wadia Group, they built their name on cotton textiles, bed linen, and home products. This brand survived wars, partition, and recessions. Over 140 years in business, that's legacy money.
Number 7. Trident Group from Punjab. One of the largest integrated home textile manufacturers in India.
They're also one of the biggest exporters of terry towels in the entire world. Europe, USA, Australia, hell, all Trident.
Revenue over 7,500 crore. 18,000 plus direct employees. Most buyers worldwide don't even know it's Indian. Number 6. Arvind Limited from Ahmedabad. India's largest denim manufacturer. Founded in 1931.
If you've worn Arrow, Flying Machine, or US Polo Aston in India, that fabric came from Arvind.
Revenue crosses 6,500 crore. From raw fabric to branded retail, that's a masterclass in business evolution.
Number 5. Vardhman Textiles. Based in Ludhiana, one of India's largest yarn and fabric producers.
26 manufacturing units. Exports to over 60 countries. Vertically integrated from raw cotton to finished cloth. Revenue over 9,000 crore. Vertical integration means quality control and profit margins. Investors love this stock. Number 4. Alok Industries. Once India's most debt-laden textile company with a dramatic collapse story.
It went through insolvency sale. Then Reliance Industries and JM Financial acquired it in 2020 for a revival.
Yarn, fabric, garments, home textiles all under one roof. One of India's most integrated players. Watch this space.
The bronze spot. Number 3. Indocount Industries. Based in Kolhapur, Maharashtra.
They are India's single largest exporter of bed linen to the United States. Let that sink in. The largest.
Revenue crosses 3,500 crore. Niche dominance, sometimes going deep, beats going wide. Runner-up, number 2. The Aditya Birla Group's textile empire. Starting with Grasim Industries. Through Grasim, they are the world's largest producer of viscose staple fiber. Not India's, the world's.
Then there's ABFRL, owning Louis Philippe, Van Heusen, Alan Solly, and Pantaloons retail formats.
Combined textile and fashion revenues. Well over 15,000 to 20,000 crore. A true behemoth.
And at number 1, did anyone really doubt this? Reliance Industries.
Through Vimal Textiles and their polyester and fiber manufacturing, Reliance is India's synthetic textile backbone. They acquired Alok Industries. Their petrochemical division feeds fabric production at unmatched scale.
From 140-year-old legacy names to modern export powerhouses, India's textile story is wildly underrated.
Drop a like if you learned something new. Subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.